Hey guys, so we have a 4-ingredient cranberry sauce recipe. Not only is this recipe only 4 ingredients, this recipe is a heck of a lot less sugar. We really could say no sugar versus the other cranberry sauce. So I'm gonna get into how to making the recipe, but first, here is why this recipe is so much better than having canned cranberry sauce. Who can go without eating a whole can of this? I know I used to all the time. It's so good. It's like, I mean, it goes down so easy. But this is 6 servings. So, yes, this is just for 1 serving. So 6 servings, that's like this little bit. It's 110 calories, 28 grams of carbohydrate, and 24 grams of that. So basically the whole thing is pure sugar. The ingredients are cranberries, high fructose corn syrup, filtered water, and corn syrup. So seriously, you're basically just eating high fructose corn syrup. I know, delicious. But this can be just as good, and again, quick and easy, no sugar. So first, put 3/4 cup of water in a medium saucepan, okay? Then all we're gonna add a whole bag of cranberries. So I use the Ocean Spray cranberries, okay? It's 12 ounces. Then we have 3/4 cup of stevia. So just throw that in there. 1 teaspoon of Orange Zest. If you don't know what Orange Zest is, that is just like take a grater and grate it out, okay? That's it. So you're gonna actually bring that to a boil. Once it boils, you're gonna simmer that 10 to 15 minutes until the cranberries pop. Okay, so once the mixture has come to that cranberry sauce-like formula, you're just gonna take your 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, pour that in. Okay, so if you're not gonna use the cranberry sauce right away, then I would use the powdered erythritol or powdered stevia. I'm always gonna recommend stevia over erythritol, but again, just to keep it from crystallizing, make sure that you use the powdered kind. Otherwise, the granulated stevia or granulated erythritol is just fine. So, hope that you like this. I hope your family likes it. Again, it may not be this delicious canned cranberry high fructose corn syrup that we're used to back in the day, but I think with mindset-wise, well, one, this is delicious. It's just different. So, just remember that you're tasting more of cranberries versus all the other extra stuff added in that. Happy holidays. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like it. If you make it, I would love to know, or any comments, any questions that you have, please comment below, and then definitely subscribe for more videos. Thanks, guys.